When our superintendent, Dr. J, filmed his mid-year update, he took time to show students how to use a teleprompter so they could get a glimpse into professional news broadcasting.
I'm making a video, okay? And the video is that to let your parents know what's going on in the district. So I'm gonna ask some questions. Does anyone know what these are up here? Yes. Photo lights, she said. You're right, that's one thing that we're using here. And does anyone know what they call that camera? Teleprompter.
Teleprompter.
Okay, so when you guys are watching TV at home, right? There's a person and they tell them exactly where to stand. There's usually gonna be an X. So I'm looking into the camera. Now you don't see all this, right, on TV, you just see the person. And I'm gonna just do a little part for you and show you what you might be doing a little bit. I have to be able to read. The words are moving real fast and I've gotta try to keep up with them. I'm gonna do a practice and then I'm gonna maybe call on someone to do one too, okay?
Okay, camera is rolling and action.
Hello, Adams 14. I want to give you a mid-year update. Okay? Did you see how I spoke loud though? Whoever wants to give it a try, you gotta speak loud.
Me.
Can you speak loud? Uh-oh, come here. Now, I'm mic'd up. It's all right here in my pocket. See, it says, hello, Adams 14. I want to give you...
Teleprompter rolling, camera rolling, and action.
Hello, Adams 14. I want to give you a mid-year update about the district and it involves you.
Who's next? What's your name?
JJ.
Okay, Jay, let me mic you up here. There. Hello, Adams 14.
13.
Give me a little practice. Hello, Adams 14.
Hello, Adams 14.
Keep going. I want to give you
I want to give you
a mid-year update
a mid-year update
about the district.
about the district.
And it involves you.
You.
Got it. Can we try to do that again?
Give him a round of applause, guys.
Okay, one boy and then one girl. You come up here, put your book down here, and sit down. You get to look at it a little bit.
Hello, Adams 14. I want to give you a mid-year update about the district and it involves you.
Yeah, you did a good job. So when those guys are on TV, they're reading, but you can't make it look good. You're gonna stand right here. You can see the words, right? I want to give you, right there, you're gonna start. It's gonna start moving, so you gotta keep up with it, okay?
Hello, Adams 14. I want to give you a mid-year update about the district and it involves you.
And that's what you would have to do if you were a newscaster, okay?
We'd like to thank the students and staff of Alsup Elementary for letting us film in their media center.